Velkommen til teknisk sektor. Det Lise.
Lisa works as an engineer in the municipality and will be my supervisor.
Som regel så får jeg inn en søknad som
Lisa receives the applications by email, and then she is double-checking the laws and regulations.
jeg har å forholde meg til. Så går det mye på telefoner.
People call to see how their case is going, or they ask general questions about rules and regulations.
Regler og hva som gjelder og hvordan de skal gå fram. Så kan det være at jeg reiser ut på befaring.
On inspections, it's often easier to see things in reality rather than just on paper.
På papiret.
The reason for the inspection is to get an idea as to how far they have come and to check out how the construction site really is, compared to what we have been told. There's different construction phases. The multi-allocating hall is not yet ready. They've come a bit further with the school building. We emphasize the value of universal design when we're dealing with a building, which is used by many people.
Og senere befaring. Hvis det litt vanskelige saker, så diskuterer vi det.
We discuss complicated cases in groups to make sure they are discussed with others. Almost all cases will be checked by a colleague. Lisa enjoys making rules and regulations understandable for people, and also like being able to make an impact on the development of the city. It's fun to be a part of it, even though you are just a small piece of it all.
Det gøy å få være med på det.